respondent. Bakit nailista ito? Meron pang sa National Housing Authority, number 33, TCT number RT 106747. Anong kinalaman ni mag-asawang Corona rito?
Your Honor, the TCT number 84214 is a council document, and ang trace back ko nito comes from Constantino Castillo Jr. and Angelino T. Castillo.
Okay, bakit
which is
nasa
a name
pangalan
search
ni
po.
Ismael Matay Jr.?
Sa kanya ho nanggaling yung property
Okay, binili
ni Constantino Castillo po.
kay Ismael Matay.
Apo.
Alright. What about this National Housing Authority? Bakit nasa pangalan ng National Housing Authority?
The name search po is Constantino Castillo po. A trace back ho nito galing sa Constantino del Castillo, which is a namesake po nung isa sa mga subject search po.
Kasi before you issue a letter, submit a letter or the alleged number of titles of a person, you have to be sure
Yes, sir.
next time around, you know. I don't know if you did this intentionally or out of negligence or what. Kasi pinagyayabang dati, no, pinagyayabang ng prosecution na the respondent owns 45 properties. Well, in fact, ngayon sinasabi nila 21. Ngayon gusto pang patunayan nung depensa na less than 21 yung properties. Siguro next time, before you issue a corresponding letter, siguraduhin nyo na talagang totoong pagmamay-ari na kung sino man yan. Kung si Chief Justice Corona, sana siguraduhin ninyo na pagmamay-ari ni Chief Justice Corona yan. Hindi yung, pati yung cancel titles, ilalagay nyo rito sa sulat ninyo. Kaya tuloy, yung perception ng taong bayan, ang perception ko dito, marami palang lupa o ari-arian itong respondent na ito. Ngayon pinatunayan na ng prosecution na hindi pala 45 properties, sina-admit na nila hindi 45 properties nila. Bumababa yung pagmamayari ng properties ni Chief Justice Corona. So I advise you, next time around, kung meron mag-request sa inyo, siguraduhin ninyo na tama yung sinusulat ninyo, tama yung mga nilalagay yung mga properties dito sa mga sulat ninyo.
I submit, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you the classmate of the President?
Not in all the years, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
Not in all the years, Your Honor. Batchmate po,
Not
yes.
in all the years.
Yes.
Where were your classmates?
I can no longer remember, Your Honor.
You can no longer
Except
remember.
grade
But he was
7,
your classmate.
In grade 7, Your Honor.
In grade school, not in high school.
Kindergarten. I cannot recall, Your Honor, in all honesty.
Okay. What school?
Ateneo, Your Honor.
Ateneo. Okay. Since you're from the Ateneo, I will not ask any further questions.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The gentleman from Makati in Bicol.
Thank you, Mr. President. You know, I am bothered by this aspect of the proceedings. The